Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. My name's Otto and today we fitted a Starline i96 on this 2020 VW Tiguan Type R. Customer had his van stolen, Hilux, yesterday. Super paranoid, doesn't want his wife's car to get taken. So we fitted this system. So how the system works, obviously if you've got a key like this, you're prone to relay attack. So what we fitted is a product. Every time you jump in the vehicle, you have to go through a push sequence, or it has to see a phone or a tag as what we call authorization. So I'm going to show you now. So someone's cloned your key, jumped in, tried to start it. This is what happens. Vehicle won't start. Okay, vehicle won't start. Got no engine fault codes like some systems. It just won't start. Okay. So now every time the customer jumps in, basically ignition on. Go through his disarm push sequence. On here we've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3. Get a melody to confirm it's disarmed. There you go, and then start the vehicle. There you go, vehicle started. Okay. Also, if you're a bit paranoid and you think someone has seen the code and you want to change the code, this is also straightforward. So the way you would do that is, first of all, the system has to be disarmed. So ignition on. Disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. And then hit this button here, or the button on the network that works 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off. Key back on. We get 5 bleeps. So now we're ready to learn. So I'm going to change it to this one here. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for confirmation. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Wait for confirmation. There you go. System's now learnt a new code. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave it about 10 seconds, try and start it, see it obviously won't start, and we'll try the new code that we've set. I think it's about 10 seconds now, so ignition on, try and start it, vehicle won't start. Okay, vehicle won't start. So basically now, ignition on, and try your new code. So ignition on, new code, confirmation, there you go, start the vehicle. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, when you take the car for a service, you don't want to disclose the code, you don't want to give them your tag, you don't want to give them the phone. You can place it into valet mode. And the way you do that is ignition on and disarm the system. So disarm the system, receive your confirmation, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, pause, key back on. There you go, 2 bleeps. That's now in valet mode. So you can start the vehicle, move it around as many times as you want. And when you get the car back and you want to take it out of valet mode, so just basically ignition on and just put the code in. So let's just disarm it. There you go, 2 bleeps. That's now out of valet mode. So now that means it's now protected again. So if I was to try start it after 10 seconds, the vehicle won't start. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.